Hi everyone, this is ER16 ELRS 2.4G 16-channel receiver. It is compatible with 2.4G ELRS modules and transmitters. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce the banding of it. An ER16 comes with keyboards, and we need to solder the keyboards to it, and I have already soldered the keyboards to it. And I use a flight controller, RadioLink F722, to supply power to it. And plug the ER16 to the receiver connect port of F722. You can refer to the picture on the screen to connect ER16 to F722 Betaflight Flight Controller, and then connect F722 to the computer with a Type-C keyboard. You can see ER16 is powered on. The LED flashes slowly because no transmitter signal is received. And I also need a transmitter with ELRS module, and take RadioLink T16D as an example. The ELRS module is mounted on it. Power on T16D.
Welcome to RadioLink.
Enter main menu. Receiver setting. RF setting, and select external module, and set ELRS protocol, and the baud rate is 400 key. Click parameter. Parameters read successfully, and there is a short line in the upper right corner, which means the receiver is not bound to the ELRS module. And here is a band option, and move the cursor to the band option. Then we need to power on the receiver for 3 times continuously to enter the banding mode. Unplug the Type-C cable. 1, 2, 3. And the receiver LED flashes double quickly, which means it is in banding status. And select the band here. The short line here changes to C, meaning the banding is complete. Return, and we can see the signal chart on the top. And the LED of ER16 is in solid on, so the banding is successful. After successful banding, the banding will be recorded, and there is no need to bind them every time the receiver is powered on. And if banding fails, the LED of the receiver will keep flashing slowly. You can repeat the banding steps. So that's all about the banding steps of ER16 receiver.